Children, today I am going to show you a delicacy of Gujarat and Maharashtra which is known as Khandvi. To prepare Khandvi, we need 1 cup of chickpea flour, that is chana dal atta, 1 cup of dahi, that is curds, little bit of green chutney, then half a tablespoon of white sesame, salt as per your taste, ginger garlic paste half a tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of grated coconut, that is wet coconut, half a tablespoon of haldi, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and coriander leaves. There is very little usage of oil in this. Okay, so let's start. Children, now we will mix some ingredients to make a fine paste. So to mix it, first I am going to put the chickpea flour into a mixer grinder. Then I will put 1 cup of dahi into a mixer grinder. And with 1 cup of dahi, I am going to put 2 cups of water. But first I will utilize only 1.5 cup, and then I will utilize the remaining half cup. Now we will grind this. We will also put ginger garlic paste into this and salt. And now we are going to grind this everything. Okay, now see, we have prepared it into a very thin and soft mixture. You can add half a tablespoon of haldi into it and mix it well. Okay, now see children, the whole mixture, I have added the extra half cup of water into it and mixed it, and now I have put this mixture into the pan without oil, and you have to put the flame on medium and keep on constantly stirring it, okay, till the besan is not cooked. See, now it has started becoming thick, so it has to be more thick so that we can prepare khandvi out of it. Okay, now you can see the mixture is ready. It should be so thick, okay, the mixture. And now we will start preparing khandvi. So to prepare a khandvi, you can prepare it on a kitchen platform or any flat surface. Okay, so see to it that your kitchen platform is dry. Okay, it should not be wet, it should be dry. Then you will put little bit of mixture on it. Once you have put the mixture, you will start spreading it with a spoon like this. It should be very thin layer. This is how you will start spreading it. Then you will put some more. And the mixture should be hot enough so that it spreads properly. It should be spreaded evenly so that a good rolls of khandvis are made. Now once this is ready, once you have spread this mixture on the platform, you will take green chutney and you will apply the green chutney on this layer like this. Okay, it's not compulsory you have to apply the green chutney, but it gives an extra taste to the khandvi. Or if you don't want to apply it with the layer, you can serve this khandvis with green chutney. So see, half layer I am not applying the green chutney, only in the half layer I am applying it. Okay. Once it is cooled down, you are going to cut the khandvis and then roll it up. So this is how you are going to cut the khandvis. First you will cut it into the long stripes like this. Once you have cut it into the long stripes, you will start rolling it. This is the way you will roll. And you will place it on a plate. Same thing you will do it with another khandvis as well. So this is the way we will roll all the khandvis and then we will place it on a plate. Okay, now you can see I have rolled the khandvis. Now we will give tadka for these khandvis. So you will take 1 tablespoon of oil in tadka pan and you will heat the oil. See, the oil has heated. Now you can add mustard seeds into it. Then you can also add half a tablespoon of white sesame. Okay, and then you will switch off the gas burner. Once you have switched off the gas burner, you will put this tadka on the khandvis like this. Okay, once you have put the tadka on the khandvis, you can garnish it with coriander leaves, and you can also put little bit of white coconut on the top. So this is how our khandvi is prepared. Delicious and yummy. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you.